4 screws. After that we can identify it is from the bearing or from where. It's okay, dear. Now we can take it out. Yes, dear, this bearing actually gone because of that. It's making noise. You can see it is from the bearing coming noise. This bearing already got stuck. It's not loose. That's why it's making noise. Now we will take it out the rotor from here. Now, dear friends, this bearing is okay. You can see, dear friends. Actually, now I add some grease for this bearing. It is no any problem. This bearing. Also, it's difficult to remove this pulley also. But anyway, no need to replace this bearing. But problem with this one, you can see, it's normally not rotating. It should rotate properly, but it is like a struck from this bearing, might making abnormal noise. But anyway, I have to replace the bearing because it's not proper. It is making noise. It's not rotating also. This bearing is like this rotating, you can see, but this one is not like that. It's not rotating, you can see. It's tight. Anyway, I will remove this bearing. After that we will replace. This size is bearing 6201. Also, I'm going to replace this bearing, the NSK brand. It is made in Japan. 6201 bearing I'm going to replace, and we will remove first this one. Now I already removed the bearing. You can see, dear friends, that bearing already got damaged. That's why it's making abnormal noise. Now I have to replace this 6201. This is NSK brand. Now you can see here it is NSK 6201. I'm going to fix this one because this bearing already got damaged. That's why it's making abnormal noise. But other one is okay. Now I will change this one. Yes, dear, it is okay. Now I'm going to fix rotor and I'm going to fix the motor. It will come like that. You can see, dear friends, it should come because I already marked here. Now I can fix this lock also here. Now it's okay. Also, this washer I have to fix properly. Now here also I mark already. Now that one also it should come like that. Now it's okay. Now you can see here. Now I can fix screws. Now it should come like that motor. Now I will fix here nuts. Now it's okay, dear. I tied already. Now it's okay. Now no any abnormal noise. Now we can fix. Now I already clean everything. Now we can fix also here. Now I can mount here. It's like that. It will come. Motor we have to fix here properly. This spring should come here. Now it's okay, dear. We can fix this mount. This lock I have to fix here. Yeah, that mount is okay. Now we have to fix condenser and evaporator cover. Now I can fix this one. After cleaning, it should be like that. Also we have to fix here drain line. Motor connector I already connect. Now it's okay. This one drain pump connector. This lock we have to fix properly, otherwise it will touch with the drum. Because of that, now it's okay. Now I can fix all the screws are here. Now I already fixed cover. Now motor also okay. Drain pump connection I will give. It should come like that, this way. You can do later also, but anyway I will fix this one here now. This will come like that. Now we can fix this mount also here. This will come like that. Now I'm going to fix drum with the body. We have to fix V-belt, drum belt, otherwise Now we have to fix small belt here. I will fix like that here. Now it's okay dear. After that, now we have to fix drum belt. We have to take it up. Now you can see dear friends, now it's not making the same noise from the motor because I already replaced the bearing. Now we will fix the side cover. After that we can check also. Now I'm going to fix display panel. Now it's okay dear. Now we have to fix here water dryer. It will come like that. Also we can check now. I will give the power connection. Now dear friends, I already given power connection. Also I am selecting any option here and I will start. Now you can hear the noise dear. It is normal noise, it's not the abnormal noise. Now my job already completed. It's not like that. After covering it will be okay. Now it is normal. Now I have to fix back of the cover blower. After that my job will be complete. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.